watch it.
It's not a ghost. It's Foxy. Oh no, a ghost.
Get out my channel.
Hello, sausage. Have I dropped your glasses?
Right, get
No, I think they went behind, bub. You two look snuggly.
Come on, Mama. Foxy was cuddling me in the night.
That's cute.
I was sleeping there. And he was holding my hand.
Should we go and see what the elves have done? Elf. Right, are we going to trick the kitties?
Yeah.
Go on, Mika, do your trick. Other one, Mika. She opens that one, and they all run the other way. And then we sneak in here. Ha-ha.
Chippy didn't get tricked.
Oh, Chippy didn't get tricked today. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Right, let's go look for this elf.
Didn't want me.
Let's go look for your elf.
It's knocked over.
Uh-oh.
Do that.
What do you want to do, what?
Kind of like chocolate.
Foxy, your elf's escaped.
There's a big box in there.
No, that's nothing.
Why?
Where's your elf? Do you think he's playing hide and seek? Because they used to like doing that, didn't they?
Yeah. Maybe it's in the tree.
Maybe.
Yeah, they've been in the tree before.
Don't let the cats in there. Gary's coming in. Boy.
Oh, so good.
You found him yet?
Oh, no.
No calendars till after you got your elf.
Through the book. Oh, there he is.
Oh, Ari, you found him. Look. They're Mika's sloth plant. You are a naughty elf.
Safe naughty gel.
A super naughty jelf. Yeah, this is my morning. It's 7:08. Kids are all fed and ready for school. Girls are doing some activities. Lunches are done. He's ready. Yeah, washing is on. I'm just having a little poodle sort. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And Binksy wants some water. Oh my good boy. He's my good boy. The girls are watching yesterday. I'm just doing the last little bit of cleaning for that baby. Oh, Janippy. Oh, Janippy. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Fox is in bed. The boys are here. Yeah, talk to you tomorrow.